This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, well-done fried eggs, step by step. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need 1 large egg, a tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan, ideally 8 to 10 inches. We'll start by preheating the pan over medium-low heat for about 2 minutes. This ensures even cooking and prevents sticking. Get ready for a perfect breakfast. Now that your pan is warm, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt completely, coating the bottom. Gently crack your egg directly into the pan. Be careful not to break that beautiful yolk. We're aiming for a well-done egg, so let it cook undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes. You'll see the whites start to firm up and turn opaque around the edges. This is where the magic begins. Once the whites are mostly set, it's time for the flip. Use a thin, flexible spatula and carefully slide it under the egg. With a quick, confident motion, flip the egg over. Now, let it cook on the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes. This will ensure the yolk is completely firm, just how we like it for a well-done egg. A sprinkle of salt and pepper, and it's ready to enjoy. And there you have it, a perfectly fried, well-done egg, ready to elevate your breakfast. Serve it on a piece of crispy toast, alongside some bacon, or with whatever your heart desires. Remember to clean your pan soon after use to keep it in top condition for many more delicious eggs. Before you go, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.